good.
Jesus.
Holy
I don't
shit.
like these. These are crap, eh?
No. What's wrong with them?
Them crap.
That one's firework displays are always interesting, aren't they?
What do you think of them, Mark?
I'm terrified, that's what I think.
I hope the dog come round here.
Just blew up the shed. He landed on the shed and then blew up. Looks like a little...
It sucks that it's like so dark.
You should go back and complain.
Why? That's in the way. I couldn't even see that.
He's in the bigger one. Yeah. Oh God.
This is the fuse drop on the floor there.
Well, that just dropped down here.
Did it?
That rocket dropped down here somewhere. Yeah.
That big icicle up there, yeah.
Oh wow, can I have it? Put it in the freezer. They're so pretty. Look at the icicle.
I'll have a look, see what them like when you click there.
Wow, look at that icicle, man. It's so pretty.
Yeah, that should be it. Hold on to that. It should be.
It should be, he says, right.
God.
Oh, you know what? I want to stand up here, but it might be full of cobwebs.
This could be
As far away as you can,
the
Shay.
ground implosion.
We should actually stay in the conservatory, shouldn't we? It's much safer. Well, what's going to happen? I'm actually quite scared, you know. I'll hide behind Mum.
No, behind your dad.
I'm hiding behind Mum. Was that a big one?
Did I break one up? There's a...
That's yeah, look at the ice on that.
What?
What's it all cost?
Don't.
Whoa, it's actually fully frozen.
There's a little tower in there. Chocolate, let me out, let me out. Do you like Shrek?
Shrek?
Shrek,
Yeah.
Today, did you see Shrek 2? I've never seen it before, it's really funny.
Daniel, I've seen number 1, 2 and I've got number 3.
Oh, 3 out?
Yeah, I've got it. Do you want to borrow it?
Yeah, I'd love to see it. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Watch it tonight.
I've got it. Oh, it's at my nan's though.
Oh, it's alright. Did you get it? See that big icicle up there, Park?
Yeah.
I want it.
You want that dropping on your head?
I really want it. If someone reach it out and spare it, I want to put it in the freezer and keep it because it looks so pretty.
And that's just some little drips coming out of the pipe, look. Drip at a time, look. It gets longer and longer and longer.
I like it. I want it.
Have you got much battery yet?
I've got loads of battery.
When? Have you got it on video?
Yeah.
That one a
You
bit
want it for the next
For the
one?
next one.
But not this one.
Not this
Don't
one.
film this one.
Don't film
Wait
this
till
one.
we film the last one.
Wait till the last one.
Okay, you're not a parrot.
It's good one.
It's okay. I'm just filming it. Ah, someone's copying us
Somebody
now.
else has had the same idea.
Oh, copying us. Oh, so there's a big one. I was quite disappointed when you said that those are the big ones because they're quite, you know.
No, just the rockets. I'm very impressed with them. I'm getting them next year.
I'm just filming everything. You know, it lasts for ages, so.
You filming this?
No one wants to see your ugly mush.
Blair Witch, look.
Look. Okay, my hair's a mess and I've just been on camera. Mom, they're like Why are you covering yourself? You freak. That was... Okay. You watch the rocket drop on our head now.
Got one motor left off down, that's it.
Oh my god! I said watch the rocket drop on our head now and it wore far off. Shit! Is it hot?
No.
Popped off, are you? Wow. We've got nearly dropped on our head.
Yeah, that. Oh, it stinks.
It does it?
Yeah.
Smell it. It does, it's disgusting. Let me just try that again. It's dropped. Oh, it dropped on the ice.
We've lost.
Watch this.
Killed it. Solid, mate.
That is full on solid. That is full on solid. It is. It's actually. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Wow. I bet if I wore my new rocks, that'd break easy. There's something down there. I heard something.
Oh, that one's frozen over.
Is it like fully?
Yeah, man.
I'm playing on one of them.
That's frozen.
There's web. Look at that massive web on there.
Yeah, the freeze as well, see it's all froze. The web.
Yeah, that's what I don't
bet the
like.
spiders froze like on this web like this.
Yeah, as you can tell, my brother's totally crazy. Where's Dad with his firework?
Exactly, he's got to bring it in with the truck.
Oh, with the trolley. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Is it big?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is best left off down the bottom.
Nah, I think she should be left with the top muff.
You'll see it better.
Oh, okay. You will fight. Yes. Oh.
Impression of Dracula.
What?
Dracula,
Go on, be a Barry Bing.
My impression of Dracula, look. Now you see me normal. Now see me fangs, watch.
You're as mad as Jay with all these faces. He pulls these weird, funny faces, yeah. Go on, be a Barry Bling, do something.
No, this is my sister. Her name is Cher. She's really cool. She's got red hair. She's really blinging. She's having it tonight. She can stop filming me. There'll be a fight. That's rapping. That's called freestyle rapping.
Freestyle.
Freestyling. You do it. I'll film you.
I don't,
You're still filming.
yeah, I don't, what am I meant to say?
You got freestyle? Go on, do a rap. I just did one.
I'm supposed to be the soldier who never loses composure. Even though I'm way on my shoulder, I'm never supposed to show it. My queen is supposed to know it. No, hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be. What am I meant to do? Seriously, I can't rap.
That's my sister. She's saft.
Not safty.
She's totally not just that. She's saft. My sister saft.
Not as soft as you. God, look at you.
And make your head look really small. Look. Oh, your head's getting smaller.
I'm glad it's not as fat as yours.
Like a ghost. Tiny head, big head. Tiny head, tiny, 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 tiny. Ooh, boy.
You are right in there.
Small.
Have you been drinking? Bloody hell, that light's gonna blind me. You've let off the cat scarer. As you can see, my brother's acting as if he's pissed. You know what? I'm going to put night vision on. How do I do that?
No.
I can't put on night vision, that's proper gay. The day after what?
Yeah, tomorrow. I'll be toasted some more.
You know what? I'm going to have to stop recording because I want to put on night vision. Yeah. See ya. Right, put on. Oh, where do I stop recording it? Oh!